Yo, 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 what up? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. We're out here with the dually first gen. Got my personal assistant over here. What, are you ready to buff this thing?
Yeah.
We are gonna do a full paint correction on this truck. And we are also going to take these things off. And I think the mud flaps today. Maybe the tailgate. Do a little bit of transformation. All right, we got the bolts out of here. Somebody literally used, let me see if I can find one of these. Someone used these screws on like half of the diamond plate, so we're gonna have some holes left. Is it screwed in back there or something? Oh, not bad. It's a little dirty. Let's wipe it down and see what happens. I already see some paint chips, so we might be doing bed liner. Oh, there's like no paint right here. Wait, that's dirt. Oh, that's Texas dirt. Yeah, we're using a wool pad with, oh, this is 205, with Meguiar's 105, and then a Porter Cable DA with a like a medium to heavy cut pad with 205. What?
It's a classic recipe for a classic truck.
That's right. This is an old school method, the wool pad for old school paint. We figured it'd probably work. So I wanted to try to show, it's gonna be hard to see, some of the scratches and whatnot in this over here before I buff it, because we haven't done like past the dually flare and back. And then up here, we've already done. You gotta do this stuff in the shade because the sunlight and like really warm paint just is not a good way to do it. So you gotta pull it inside, but we're almost done. This thing is looking extra minty. Oh my God. I didn't know it was going to look any better, but it is like a mirror. It's like glass. I don't even know how to explain this. What'd you call it, Ryan?
Huh?
What'd you call it?
It's a relic.
This guy. All right, he's been putting in work. We both have, I guess, but this definitely goes a lot quicker with two people. These lights on the bumper have to go. I mean, what is this? 2001? 1994? Nah, this ain't cutting it. And they are super ghetto. I mean, the wires are just barely hanging. Oh, I literally just ripped that one off. So, we're taking those off right now. Now we have holes in the bumper. Guys, the paint correction is done on this thing finally. Wait a minute. Don't look at what's on this trailer back here, because that will be in the next video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. The front end is finally looking proper. We took the lights off. I think I need like a period correct farm truck plate on the front of this thing or something like that. We'll see. But I do want to do something to this paint, like ceramic coat it or something possibly, because it just rains and obviously looks really bad, but this paint is in really good shape right now, so I want to try to protect it as best as possible. Oh, something I wanted to ask you guys. I want to do something to the bed rails of this truck. because it was repainted and they blended the paint right here because they left the diamond plate rails on the bed when they painted it. Why would you do that? Blows my mind. I want to figure out what to do with this thing. So this side, I wet sanded and buffed it out. I'm gonna be able to wet sand that a little more, buff it again, and make it look really smooth. But all these paint chips and stuff on the top are just looking really bad. So I think I want a bed liner on top of the rail. The Chevy did have bed liner on top of the rail and it was black. Now the truck was white with a black bed liner and it looked okay, and you could kind of see it wrapped around the corner a little bit. I might try to do paint matched bed liner on the rail here, just so it blends in. When you're looking at it from the side, you can't really tell the difference. Throw down in the comments if you guys think that's a good idea or not, or if you have any other ideas for the top of the bed rail. Now I'm still looking for a tailgate. These things are hard to find apparently, and it is making me kind of annoyed because people want tons of money for tailgates on these trucks, and I guess they're cool, but I really do need one. So the last thing we're gonna do is take these mud flaps off. The other day I was driving and lost the vice grips that the guy that I bought this from was kind enough to donate on my way home to hold this thing, and I don't want this scratching the dually fender. It probably already has, but I need to get these off, and then this thing will be looking as clean as it could be until we do a few more things to this. So stay tuned right here. Well guys, you can basically say the first gen has been restored to its factory state, aside from the tailgate. Let me know if you got one. Catch us in the next one.